will learn Python programming.
In this chapter, we will learn everything you need to know about the Python programming language. Python is one of the most popular programming languages and is widely used throughout the world to create apps for automation, using artificial intelligence and building applications for websites like Instagram, Dropbox, etc. Why Python? Python has gained immense popularity among beginners and computers engineers equally. With the rise of technology like machine learning and artificial intelligence, Python has come into the spotlight because it makes the work more productive and easier. Python is used for creating user interface applications, web applications, mobile apps, server-side coding, artificial intelligence, machine learning algorithms, and more. Let's now quickly understand the various features of Python that have made it the most preferred language in this era. Let's talk about the features of Python. Easy syntax. Syntax of Python language is simple, short and easy to understand. Below is a comparison between Java and Python code, which is used to print a message on the screen. It can be clearly seen in the above given example how simple and easy writing Python code is. Open source. Python is an open source programming language managed by Open Source Foundation. This means that anyone who is well versed with Python can create new programs and add them to the available Python libraries. Python is free. Python is freely available on the internet. This means that you don't need to buy expensive licenses for creating apps with Python. You can easily download the latest Python version from www.python.org. Python is portable. You can run Python code on any kind of hardware or on the operating system a machine uses. A Python code can run on machines using different operating systems like Windows, Linux, or Mac, making Python a portable language. A large set of libraries. Python has huge libraries of modules, programs developed by professionals. These libraries are freely available. You can use these library modules to add impressive functionality to your programs. This concept is similar to what we do in a school library. To get the books we want to read, we go to the library and get the books issued in our name. Similarly, you add a module into your Python program from the huge set of Python libraries. Okay, now let us learn about Python interface. Python provides two different modes for writing programs. The two different modes that programmers can use to write Python programs are: number 1, interactive mode. Number 2, script mode. The programmers can use these two different modes according to their own coding needs and requirements. History and development of Python language. Python stands as one of the world's most popular programming languages today, but it isn't exactly a new programming language. It has conceptualized by Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s as successor to the ABC programming language. Another programming language created by a man, Rosen's Workplace, National Research Institute for Scientific Research, and other ones. Much like ABC, Python wasn't designed for solving complex computing problems. This programming language was designed to be simple and easy to learn. Rossum started working on the development of Python and released it in 1980. Python language was not actually named after the snake. It was named after the British TV show Monty Python's Flying Circus. Python first version 0.9 was released in February of 1992. 1980. Python programming language laid its foundation. 1992. The first version of Python programming language was released at CWI in the Netherlands. 1994. Python 1.0 version was released with new features such as Lambda, map, etc. Programming language laid its foundation. 2000. Python 2.0 version got released with several improvements. 2008. Python 3.0 version was introduced to help programmers to develop projects easily. Okay, let's see how to install Python. Now that we have learned about Python's language features and history, you should now learn how to install it on your computer. You are already aware that Python can be freely downloaded from the web. So now follow the steps given below to install Python in your computer. Step 1. To download the latest version of Python, open www.python.org. Step 2. Click on the Downloads button in the menu bar. Click on the button shown in the Download for Windows panel. Step 3. The Python setup window will be displayed. Click on Install Now to continue Install Python. Step 4. The Installation Progress bar window will display the progress in installation. Step 5. The last screen will display the installation status. On successful completion of the installation process, Python will display the following screen. Starting Python idle. After successfully installing Python, let us now see how to start working with Python. To open the Python interface, follow the given steps. Number 1. To start Python idle integrated development environment, click on the Start button. Step 2. Click on All Apps and scroll down to the Python folder and select the idle option. Step 3. This will open the Python idle. The Python idle screen is shown below. Note the point. You can also open Python idle by simply typing Python in the. Okay students, let's talk about the Python idle and interactive mode. Every app in Windows has its own interface that helps the user to use it in the best possible way. The Python idle allows us to perform different tasks like saving, opening, debugging, configuring, idle settings, etc. As stated earlier in the chapter, Python provides two different modes for writing programs. To start with, let's discuss the interactive mode first. Interactive mode. When we use Python interactive mode, the Python idle screen looks like the image given below. Python command in the interactive mode. Open the Python idle window and type the statement given below. The Python interactive mode displays the output of a command instantly. All you need to do is to type the Python command or statement just after the prompt and press the Enter key. The Python interactive mode can also be used as a calculator. You can perform mathematical operations in this mode. Let's try to perform some basic mathematical calculations. Let us quickly have a look on chapter review. The syntax of Python language is simple, short and easy to understand. Python language is managed by Open Source Foundation. Python is used for creating UI, user interface applications, web applications, mobile apps, server-side coding, artificial intelligence, machine learning algorithms. Python has huge libraries of modules, programs developed by professionals. Python provides two different modes for writing Python programs, interactive mode and script mode. Python interactive mode displays the output of a command instantly.